Wolf, she's pulling a double shift for us after anchoring last night. She's tracking flights this morning at MSP. Morgan, thank you so much.
Good morning, buddy. Only here because I love you guys. Dusty, our photographer, is there right now as the lines are starting to pick up. It was a nightmare yesterday at the airport. The weather caused hundreds of delays and cancellations. I'm so sorry to say this, but it really is not off to a good start today either. I just checked MSP's website and the cancellations in and out of the airport, it has gone up now to 57. A number of people are back at the airport actually this morning after experiencing all the issues yesterday, including this woman trying to get to San Francisco.
Got delayed about 5 times yesterday, and then it got canceled about a minute before we were supposed to board. They did, however, give us hotel and Uber, so that helped. But
better, I guess, than sleeping at the airport. Not as comfy as sleeping at Care 11, right, Jason?
No doubt about that, Morgan. Thank you very much for pulling the double shift.
I'm
We
going
really
home now.
it. Yeah, she's literally taking off her mic, getting ready to crawl into bed.
Bye.
Morgan, thank you so much for your work this morning.
No, but really, it is such a busy weekend for holiday travel. I got a little nap in. I'm ready to go. I just checked MSP's website, and I don't really have some great news for you. So far, they're reporting 53 cancellations in and out of the airport. That jumped 7 cancellations, you guys, just within the last half hour of me checking. Only 5 delays, though, so that's a plus side to it. It was quite a nightmare yesterday, though, for the airports. According to FlightAware, nearly 200 flights in and out of MSP were canceled, almost 500 delayed. Our photographer, Dusty, is at the airport right now, giving us a look at everything. Hi, Dusty. Now, according to some of the shots that we saw before, there we go. It's busy. The lines aren't terrible, but it's early, so I say still give yourself a lot of time at the airport. TSA right now, according to MSP's website, they're reporting about a 15-minute wait through their checkpoints, which is pretty normal. So again, everything is going relatively smooth right now. We are keeping a close eye on all of those cancellations for you. And something else to note too, this is another positive thing I have for you, Jason. There was no major power outages from the storm yesterday. I just checked XL's website and still no major outages. So that's some good news, right?
Yeah, as bad as things look, it could always be worse.
It could always be worse.
There you go, Morgan, here with us in between power naps. We appreciate you, Morgan. Thank you so much. Morgan.
Yeah, Jason, this is something that happened yesterday, and it is still closed. 35, one of the main interstates through southern Minnesota into Iowa is closed right now. This is a MnDOT shot right now showing us what it is like out there. They say that they had so many crashes and that the visibility was so terrible that they had to close it yesterday afternoon. At last check, though, it has opened up a little bit more, so it's closed around I-90 and Albert Lee to the border.